exercise 9.8. Continue. Question number 2. By what number 35 upon 3 be divided to obtain 17 upon 2? So what number is divided to 35 upon 3 that we get 17 upon 2? So here what we are going to do is division. So 35 upon 3 divided by 17 upon 2. So here division sign is there. So division sign change into multiplication. So 35 upon 3 multiply 17 upon 2 we will write in reciprocal. So reciprocal of 17 upon 2 is 2 upon 17. So here we have to see fractions, numerator and denominator, that will come in same table or not. So 35 and 3 they will not come in the same table. Okay, and here 2 is the numerator and 17 is the denominator. Same way this fraction is also not come in the same table. Now opposite 35 and 17, here also they will not come in the same table. Same way 2 and 3, this also will not come in the same table. So here we will multiply. So 35 multiply by 2 upon 3 multiply by 17 equal to 35 to the 35 multiply by 2. So 2 5 is 10, 0 1, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 70 upon 3 17 is 51. So our answer is 70 upon 51. Now number 3. A bucket has a capacity of 34 upon 3 liters. A small jug has a capacity of 7 upon 3 liters. How many such jugs are needed to empty the water of this bucket? Okay, one bucket is there. It is a capacity of 34 by 3 liters. And a small jug has a capacity of 7 upon 3 liters. So they are asking how many jugs are needed to empty the water of the bucket. So statement, bucket having capacity equal to how many capacity of bucket having? 34 upon 3 liters. So we will write 34 upon 3 liters. Then jug is having capacity of 7 upon 3 liters. And we have to find how many jugs are needed. So question mark. So what we are going to do? We will divide. So 34 upon 3 divided by 7 upon 3. So 34 upon 3, this divide sign will change into multiply, and reciprocal of 7 upon 3 is 3 upon 7. So here we have to see opposite 3, numerator is 3 and denominator is 3. So both are 3, so we can cut it. And here 34 and 7, they will not come in the same table. So now we will multiply. 34 multiply by 1 upon 1 multiply by 7. So 34 ones are 34 and 7 ones are 7. So our answer is, so 34 upon 7 jugs are needed to empty the water of this bucket. Number 4. Certain amount of mangoes were sold for rupees 327 upon 4. If the rate was rupees 61 upon 4 per kg, find the weight of the mangoes sold. Okay, so they are selling the mangoes and they get rupees 327 upon 4. And the rate per kg was 61 upon 4. So we have to find out the weight of the mangoes sold. So mangoes sold equal to how many rupees they earn? 327 upon 4. And per kg equal to rupees 61 upon 4. And we have to find out weight of the mangoes, that is question mark. So 327 upon 4 divided by 61 upon 4. So 327 upon 4, this divide will change into multiply, and reciprocal of 61 upon 4 is 4 upon 61. So this 4 will cancel, same number numerator and denominator. So now we will multiply 327 multiply by 1 upon 1 multiply by 61 equal to 327 upon 61. So our answer, the weight of the mangoes sold is 327 upon 61 kg. Number 5. Aman travels a distance of 217 upon 4 km in 11 upon 2 hours. What is the speed per hour? So Aman travels a distance equal to 217 upon 4 km. How many time it taken? 11 upon 2 hours. And we have to find speed per hour equal to question mark. So 200 upon 17 upon 4 divided by 11 upon 2. So 217 upon 4, this division sign will change into multiply. Reciprocal of 11 upon 2 is 2 upon 11. So here in this fraction 217 and 4 will not come in the same table. Same way 2 upon 11 will also not come in the same table. Now opposite 217 and 11, they will also not come in the same table, and 2 and 4. So in 2 table 4 will come. Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 217 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by 11. So 217 multiplied by 1 equal to 217. 2 11s are 22. So speed per hour is 217 upon 22 kilometer. Number 6. A rope of 31 upon 2 meters long is divided into 7 pieces of equal length. What is the length of each pieces? So length of rope equal to how many meters? 31 upon 2 meters. So 31 upon 2 meters divided into how many pieces? 7 pieces. So we have to find what is the length of each piece. So length of each piece is equal to how much? So 31 upon 2 divided by 7. Here denominator is not there, so we will write here 1. So 31 upon 2, this divide will change into multiply, and reciprocal of 7 upon 1 is 1 upon 7. So here see 31 upon 2, they will not come in the same table. Same way 1 upon 7 will also. And 31 and in opposite 31 and 7, this also will not come in the same table. Okay, so now we will multiply. 31 multiply by 1 upon 2 multiply by 7. So 31 ones are 31, 2 sevens are 14. So the length of each piece is 31 upon 14 meter. Now number 7. By selling oranges at the rate of rupees 9 upon 4 per orange, a man obtained rupees 180. How many oranges does he sell in all? So he is obtaining how many rupees? 180. One orange price is 9 upon 4. So we have to find out how many oranges he sell in all. So oranges sell at the rate of rupees 9 upon 4. A man obtains 180 rupees. So we have to find how many oranges he sell equal to question mark. So 180 divided by 9 upon 4. So we will write denominator 1. So 180 upon 1, division sign will change into multiply. 9 upon reciprocal of 9 upon 4 is 4 upon 9. So in 9 table 180 will come. Yes, 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are 180. So now we will multiply. 20 multiply by 4 upon 1 multiply by 1. So 24s are 80. So our answer is, so 1 ones are 1 equal to 1. So he sold 80 kgs of oranges. Number 8. By what number 273 upon 4 be divided to obtain 33 upon 4? So 273 upon 4 divided by 33 upon 4. So 273 upon 4 divide will change into multiply. Reciprocal of 33 upon 4 is 4 upon 33. So this 4 will cancel. So 273 multiplied by 1 upon 1 multiplied by 33. So 273 multiplied by 1 equal to 273. 1 multiplied by 33, 33. See, we can also make it in a smaller number also. In 3 table both will come. Okay, so 3 11s are 33. And 3 we can divide and see. 273 divided by 3. So 3 9s are 27. 0. So this 3 we will carry down. 3 1s are 3. So 391s are 273. So 91 upon 11 should be divided to obtain 33 upon 4.